Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you have seen this makeup look and this top in the previous video. That's because on Saturdays I film and this is just what I'm wearing today on this Saturday. So this makeup, let's talk about the makeup first because it's a little bit dodgy. You've probably seen, I've just done the number choose my makeup tag, and unfortunately this is how it ended up. So if you want to watch that one, it's my previous video. I'll link it in the description box below. This video, however, it's another little fun one, but I saw this on YouTube and I thought to myself, how can I not do that? That is cute. So I decided to get myself one. It was only a £5, so I mean, worth the fun. It came in this box here. Took about a week or two to arrive. I ordered it from, I think I ordered it from Amazon. I'm pretty sure I ordered it from Amazon. And you could choose a pink one or a blue one. Doesn't really matter, to be fair, but it's just a little toy washing machine. And what we are using it for is most likely not what it's supposed to be used for. I think it's supposed to be just a kid's toy that they can play with. But we've decided to be giant children here on the internet, and we've decided to use it to clean our beauty blenders and our makeup brushes and whatever else people have found uses for. So it's just got a little lid here, little lid. And you've got the washing machine inside there. You press this button and that's how it goes. And it's even got a little draining pipe so that the water can drain out of. That is the cutest. So apparently what you're supposed to do, put some water in and something to clean, like a product to clean your sponge. Mix it all together a little bit with that, and then put your blender in, and your blender's supposed to be nice and clean after. So that's what we're going to try. Right, so I've got my glass to empty the washing machine contents back out of. I've got my glass of water to put some in. I've got a wash, which I'm just using the Body Shop carrot wash. And I've got my blender. So let's make sure this is clipped up there because we don't want any spillages. Okay, and I'm just going to put some water in. Oh, is that too much? I don't know if that's too much. Whoops. Too much or not, I don't know. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the wash in. Oh, that looks disgusting. And then I'm going to close it and I'm going to mix the water and the wash together. Okay, I don't know if this is the best wash to use. Oh, look. It's all kind of sticking to the motor. Anyway, we're going to give that a go. And then we're going to put our blender in. Look, it's quite dirty. Ooh, quite dirty. Let's see if it makes a difference. Oh, that's a lot of water. Oh no. Okay. Oh, it's not moving. Oh, okay, wait. Wait. Turn it the other way. Let's see if it moves. Oh no. Oh no. It's dying. Look at that. It's not even moving. Oh, goodness me. Okay, all right. Ooh. Okay, let's squeeze some of the water out into this cup. Maybe there was too much water in there. I'll just try that. Oh, it's moving a little bit. There was too much water. Okay. It's, oh. Oh! Okay, that looks a little bit crazy. Nope, that just sent it over the edge, didn't it, really? This beauty blender is too heavy for it. It doesn't let it work, but look. Where the rotary thing in there has been going around, it has actually cleaned a circle of it. Okay. Let's just put that one to the side. And we're just gonna empty this and start fresh with a different beauty blender. So, oh, it's like it's having a little wee. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, so empty. We're going to do a little bit of water and we're going to use a different wash. We're just going to use this Body Shop clay wash. Oh, get in. Oh, God. Okay, and we're just going to I wish I had a foaming wash, because that would... Oh, it splashed me. I mean, a foaming wash would work so well. I'm thinking of just using shampoo. Okay, so we've started again. I've emptied it all out. We're just going to use a little bit of shampoo, actually, because I feel like that will get the best foam. So let's just pour some water in. Oh, the pipe needs to be up here, doesn't it? Look at that. Just a little bit of water and then a little bit of shampoo. I don't have sensitive skin, so this should be fine. I mean, if it's not, then I'm the only one to blame. It smells great, but it doesn't foam anything up like I've seen. Oh, there we go. A little bit. Oh, a little bit. Okay. It's a little bit there. My washing machine's leaking as well. That's good. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to use a different sponge. So I'm going to use this one, which is a little bit dirty. You can see there. I'm just going to put that in. Shut the lid. It's going around. And it's gonna die. And it died. Okay. Let's reposition it. No, it's just not having it. It's just not having it. Okay, fine. Let's try it with brushes. Okay, so we're gonna do some brush washing. Mix that together a little bit. Okay, now this contour brush hasn't been washed for a while, so you can see it's a little bit dirty, so we're gonna just Okay, I'm sort of just resting it on the thing that goes round and round. I'm not putting any pressure on it because it will stop. I mean, I think we all know that this is not an actual brush cleaner. And the water in there is getting pretty murky. And it does seem cleaner. I'm going to try that with a dirty eyeshadow brush. And it's definitely cleaned it. So obviously this is not an actual brush cleaner, it is really just a child's toy that as adults we've turned into something that we use. I mean, I guess it could be a bit of a brush cleaner in between the actual brush washes that we can do, so just to clean them in between uses if we really want to, but then we could just use normal water and a tissue. Rosie, you're gonna fall. You're gonna hurt yourself if you jump from there. So if you liked my video and if you want to see more fun videos like today's, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment as well. And I will see you in my next video.